Despite trying as hard as he can, Devon Larratt was able to weigh over 130 kilos only once in his life back in 2021. And now he just weighed in at 142 kilos. Even if we count for the food that he may have eaten, the water which he may have drank, the clothes that he is wearing, the guy is still weighing 140 kilos. That's absolutely insane and unbelievable stuff. Although I did see a mysterious hand over Devon Larratt's shoulders when he was weighing in on the scale, and everyone was laughing too, so maybe there was something going on there, but still I would say at least 80% sure that this was a legit weigh-in. Not an official one, but a legit one. This upcoming Gennady Quizquina super match is going to make one thing absolutely clear. Does gaining weight, or I should say forcing yourself to gain weight by any means possible, really matter on the arm wrestling table or not? Because as we have seen the last time, the match was incredibly close. Anyone could have won it that day. And Devon now, self-admittedly, will be showing up in a much stronger shape. Gennady has said that he is going to be in a similar shape as their 2023 match. So by default, Devon should be winning this match. But if he loses to Gennady again, then that would basically mean that for all of the fans who follow Devon Larratt's training, don't bulk up, don't go beyond your means just to get massive. It wouldn't matter at all on the arm wrestling table.
It's okay. The worst thing is if I lose and then I just got fat for no reason.
Let's talk about some of the interesting things which Devon said in that interview. First of all, he would like to cut to 115 kilos and go for the Alijan Muratov left arm world title match. Then if he wins that, then go for the 105 kg title too against the same guy. Devon said that he has been training his left. He thinks that he can cause some troubles on the left now, maybe even in the super heavyweight division. Devon isn't going to be worried about the Georgian crowd because he knows Georgian fans love Devon Larratt, and the reason behind that is simple. He has always been respectful towards the Georgian athletes. He has always been appreciating the way they train, the strength that they bring to the table, and in all of the other sports in general. Well, some people may have something to say about the first Levan Saginashvili match. That got pretty intense, but maybe all of that was just to promote the match, and Levan was also a part of it. Devon believes that he is going to destroy Gennady Quizquina. He also thinks that Gennady's bicep may not have fully recovered yet, but yet he would like to be not so confident coming into this match. Gennady is a pretty serious opponent and he can turn the match around if given the opportunity. He also acknowledged that although Gennady may not have a super strong bicep, but he may have improved some of the other parts in his game by a massive amount, and that can be dangerous on the table. The match is less than 2 days away from now, so we'll have to wait and see who the stronger man is.